What skills do you wish you could have learned in high school? Are all those SAT words and multiple choice test taking skills what helped you to become successful? The market is saturated with college prep courses and standardized test tutors, but is this really helping students? Sure, it might help some students achieve the short-term goal of getting into a good college, but how will this help them to achieve success in their goals after graduation? And what resources are available for students who don't plan to go to college? That's why I present the Graduation Prep Kit. This subscription service provides students resources that will prepare them for life, not just for more exams. Each box is designed to build up a specific skill, from financial knowledge and leadership skills to work-life balance and the basics of cooking. With this product, parents and schools can feel more confident knowing that their children are better equipped to handle the many challenges they'll face outside of school. Enough of the business pitch though, let's review some data. The Graduation Prep Kit is situated in 3 stable industries: college prep, self-improvement, and subscription services, while still serving a currently underinvested demographic. Of course, we will be competing for the attention of high school students with the college prep industry, but we hope to market our product as a supplement, not as a replacement. As for the self-improvement industry, we hope to stand out by being one of the few products specifically designed for a younger audience. As for the scalability and profitability of the product itself, there's a lot of potential. With the form of a subscription service, we can be sure we're only paying for as much product as we're actually selling, reducing risk. We can also reduce costs and improve quality of the product by partnering with other companies, making deals to get lower costs for their products when we buy in bulk. This may also lead to higher profit margins as the company grows, allowing for investment into the company that will further grow profit margins. But there's one aspect of this product that I have yet to mention. When we talk about the college prep industry, we can't ignore the immense inequality when it comes to access to these resources. We recognize that products like this one most help those who already have a leg up. We hope to provide low-income students free access to our product, as well as donating a percentage of our profits to organizations working to reduce this inequality. It's a small step, but we hope it will make a big difference in the lives of these students. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and for considering the Graduation Prep Kit for funding.